Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Tyler with Unleashed Auto Care. I wanted to do a little video just to show you the performance of one of our ceramic coatings after it's been on a vehicle for about 3.5 years now. So we originally did the service back in 2016. So it's just over 3.5 years that this coating's been on here. The durability of the coating is rated for approximately 2 years, but with proper maintenance, we all know that things can last longer, as we see in this case. So the owner does take very good care of the car, washes it, and keeps it clean. The water behavior that we're going to show you is actually before we've done any hand washing. So you can already see just from the rinse that we've done a little bit, we have some really awesome water beads. And when we spray it down again here, you can see just how well that coating is still repelling the water, making it super easy to clean. Even on the lower doors and the parts of the fender and everything, this car is just incredibly hydrophobic. And this is one of the things that makes ceramic coating so attractive, is their easy washing. Now again, if they aren't maintained, it's like anything. They will not last as long as what you hear. If you hear about lifetime coatings, that's not the case. They will not last a lifetime. But a properly and well-maintained surface, as you can see, can last a long time. You can see underneath even the water all the gloss and shine that's still there. The car looks still absolutely incredible. And in this case, it's just going to make our life so much easier to wash it and keep it clean. A quick rinse got off pretty much all of the dirt and the grime that we have to, so we're able to follow up with a quick maintenance wash and get this thing looking better than new again. Anyways, reach out to us if you have any questions, or visit www.unleashedautocare.com for more information on our ceramic coatings. We'd be happy to help you.